In this tutorial, we'll be editing a text file in brackets. To begin, press Ctrl-N to create a new file. You can add text to the file by typing, much like a regular program. You can save your code with Ctrl-S. When you do, you'll see a prompt showing you a directory of where you can save your file. The default directory that displays will be the project you currently have open. I'll just save my file and I'll call it main.js. This file won't be very important. As you can see, here on the bottom, I've received an error. That's because when I saved this file as a .js file, the JS linter activated, and it noticed a problem with my code. While technically legal JavaScript code, the code above does not really make sense, as it does not output anything. You can see at the bottom right, the language has automatically been changed to JavaScript. If I change this, the error goes away, and I see a check mark. We will get more into automatic code linting in a future tutorial. In brackets, you can select all text by pressing Ctrl-A, and you can copy text by pressing Ctrl-C. Text that is copied to the clipboard can be pasted with Ctrl-V, much like a normal text editor. To duplicate text, you can do so with Ctrl-D. If you begin typing in legal JavaScript code, code completion appears automatically to suggest what you may want to refer to. This is done using Node, and we will discuss it further in a later tutorial. You can indent code with Control plus the right square bracket or the left square bracket on a PC. This may be a different button depending on what operating system you're using. You can automatically make a line of code into a comment by pressing Control plus the right slash key. This works at least for JavaScript files. You can automatically move lines up or down by holding Control and Shift and pressing up and down on the keyboard. You can search a text file for a piece of code by pressing Ctrl-F, which opens a Find menu at the top of the screen. Typing in bodies of text will highlight that text in the code below. When you're finished working with a file, you can save it with Ctrl-S or by going to the File menu and Save. Close a file with Ctrl-W or going to the File menu and pressing Close. That's about it for simple interacting with a file in brackets. As brackets continues to be developed, many new ways of interacting with text files will emerge.